And this is the reason kung bakit maraming na-hire sa loob ng Reni AI. Yung iba, pagkapasok nila sa Reni AI, nag-upgrade agad sila into Pro or Premium dahil yun dito sa Client Simulator. And dahil din yun sa tinatawag na Pitch Calculator. Yung Pitch Calculator, ito siya. Gusto niyo bang matry guys, si Pitch Calculator, kung paano siya gumagana? So, papakitaan ko kayo kung paano siya gumagana. Okay? So, let's try using ChatGPT. Okay? And let's try voice, voice command. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hi.
Yes, can we do some role play? I would like
Okay.
to apply as a social media manager, and you will be
Hmm.
portraying as a client of mine. So yeah,
Got
think
it.
of the best business or best international client that I can work with. So we
Okay.
just need to conduct a quick interview, and I will just you will ask me some question, just
Hmm.
basic question about how can I apply or how am I going to be qualified for the job, or maybe ask um more about me, and then impromptu, I want you to give a feedback if I passed or not.
Sure. All right. Hi, thanks for joining. Tell me first, could you walk me through your background and what brings you into social media management?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, by the way, my name is Rene, and I would like to apply as a
Hmm.
social media manager. And yes, when it comes to my background, I've been creating contents for more than 6 years now. And
Okay.
yes, I strongly believe with my scale framework. Okay, letter S means strategy. So I know how to
Hmm.
strategize when it comes to working as a virtual assistant or SMVA. And then letter C, content direction. I know how to create
Hmm.
contents, work with different call to action, hooks, and yeah, anything about content creation. And then letter A as in for yeah, I forgot letter A, but when we are going to talk about the letter L, it's more on learn. I understand how social media works, the algorithm works, and the letter E expand. I know how to scale businesses using artificial intelligence and also using SEO and social media.
Hmm. Okay, so you've got quite a blend of strategy, technical, and creative. Could you give me a specific example of a result you drove, like numbers or outcomes, something measurable?
Mhm. Yes, since like what I mentioned, I've been working as a social media manager for how many years now? My
Hmm.
previous client was Stalking Fire Productions. That
Okay.
client of mine, I was able to help him manage his social media. And when it
Hmm.
comes to numbers, specifically, I was able to bring 80% of his social media followers right now. And every week, I'm giving weekly report. I'm sending him that these are the things that we improve when it comes to click-through rates, when it comes to viewership. And yeah, this is something that I can share with you right now.
Hmm. That's solid. Let me ask, when something doesn't work, say a campaign underperforms, how do you handle that?
When something underperforms, I make
Hmm.
sure that I'm diagnosing what's winning and what's losing. I'm making
Hmm.
sure that I'm finding the right strategy so that I can apply for the next content that we'll be making. For example, we have content today,
Hmm.
and we're going to make sure that this content will be diversified into what do you call this? Into short form videos. So
Hmm.
we're making sure that we're finding the winning strategies. So whenever we encounter such problem,
Hmm.
we're gonna make sure that we're improving on the next one.
All
So
right,
yeah, by the way,
thanks.
can I ask you some
Mhm.
questions as well?
Of course.
Okay, before we talk about what I can do for you,
Hmm.
how many hours per week do you or your team currently spend creating social media content?
Good question. I'd say right now to 12 hours. It's a mix of me and one coordinator. It feels a bit scattered, honestly.
And how many posts do you actually publish per week across all platforms?
Hmm. Across all platforms, probably five or six.
6. Okay.
Mhm.
How many leads or increase come in from social media in a typical month?
Hmm. That's a great question. Right now, we get maybe 20 to 25 inquiries a month, but only 5 to 7 are qualified sales calls.
Mhm.
We
That's good.
probably close 2 or 3 new clients on average. I suspect we're losing people because our content isn't consistent and we don't
Mhm.
have a clear funnel.
Okay.
So, given all I've just told you, what would you focus on in your first 30 days?
Okay. What would I focus on? Of course, I will need to diagnose everything and double
Mhm.
check. This is going to be the first phase, so I'm gonna make sure that I will be checking all the previous contents that you made in the past. I will check
Mhm.
those winning strategies so that I can implement on the next month or the first 30
Okay.
days. I will check on the creatives that you have did. I will
Mhm.
check on the hooks on with the social media performance in the last
Mhm.
6 months so that I will be so much effective on my first 30 days. So yeah, by the way, one last question. What's the average
Mhm.
value of a new client or customer for you?
Hmm. Good one. So on average, about $4,000 a year in revenue per client. Some stick
For
longer. So
Mhm,
yeah, if you could get us from 2 to 3 new clients a month to even 4 or 5, that would be pretty meaningful. Last
that's
question for me. Why should I hire you over other social media managers who might have similar experience?
mhm. So you should hire me because I can yeah, when it comes to something that I can bring to the table, I can do the full
Hmm.
social media management. When it comes to daily posting, content
Hmm.
calendar and copy, engagement and DM responses. And if we are going to check, I'm not just working as a social media manager. I can work as a solid system that can
Hmm.
actually create a winning loop for your whole social media strategy. So yeah, that I'm not just typical a virtual assistant or social media manager. I know how to compute the revenue leaking in your company. Okay. So yeah, I've just run the numbers on your business specifically. Right now, you mentioned that you're publishing 6 posts per week and
Hmm.
spending 12 hours a week on it, but
Right.
generating only 25 leads per month from social. At $4,000 per client, that gap is costing you roughly 3,800 per month in missed opportunities. And here's what I
Hmm.
can do. I take over 100% of your social media, daily posting, copywriting, engagement, ads, and reporting, while you
Hmm.
focus on what actually moves the needle in your business. And my rate is $1,200 per month. My work
Hmm.
pays for itself 2x of your ROI. You're not just hiring a VA. I am becoming the dedicated system running this entire side of your business, so you never have to
Hmm.
think about it again. How does that sound?
All right. Give me just a second. Okay. Stepping out of character, here's my feedback. First, overall, I think you did a solid job. You asked smart discovery questions, you talked ROI, not just tasks, and that's exactly where you want a client's head to be. Where you can improve is maybe slow down slightly and tighten your language. For example, when you said that gap is costing 1,800, the client is wondering, how did you calculate that? So if you're going to use a number, show your math or soften it. Like, based on your numbers, I think there's a meaningful revenue opportunity. Also, your close was long. Try something like, if I can help you add even 1 client a month, this pays for itself. My goal is not just to manage posts, it's to build a predictable client engine. Language wise, you're good, but clean up some phrasing like, I can do the full social media management. Say instead, I manage end to end social media from strategy to execution. Sounds more fluent. If I were the client, would I hire you? Yes. Overall, I would. I'd give you an 8.8 out of 10 and move you forward. Strong business mindset, confidence, and you've clearly sold before. Just refine the clarity and the flow.
Okay, can you give some shoutout sa lahat ng mga viewers natin ngayon? Guys, sabi niya? Hire daw tayo, di ba? So, congratulations. Kung medyo naging ano lang siya, technical siya sa mga feedback niya because I was speaking too fast. Maybe my phrasing was really quick. Pero yun, di ba? So, yeah, hindi ako confident when it comes to communication skills or sa grammar ko ha. Pasensya na kayo guys. Pero ganun po makipag-usap sa mga client. Okay? So guys, yeah, and yung iba sinasabi nila, tawag dito, nakita nyo naman kung ano yung power ni pitch calculator natin. Medyo kinabahan din ako kasi ang dami niyan negative na sinabi, pero at the end, pasado daw. And kung yung client daw siya, yes, pasado daw yung naging result ng ano natin. So magmumukha kayong matalino. So sabi niya, 'di ba? Hindi niya sure kung paano mo na-calculate 'yon. Exact feeling ng mga client, ganun si nararamdaman nila. How did you compute that? Paano nyo nangyari? Paano nyo nalaman yan? And magigets niya na yes, tama ka. Ito nga yung nangyayari sa company ko ngayon. Sa sobrang busy ko, ito pala yung pera na nawawala sa company ko. Instead of focusing sa pag-i-scale ng company, searching for new client acquisition, masyado ako nagpapakabugbog sa mga admin tasks. So yeah, I think you're the best virtual assistant that I should hire today. Okay? So yun yung sinasabi ko. You just need to speak with AI, compute with AI, and then everything will be solid. So yun, sabi ko sa inyo guys, kamusta naman yung ano natin? Pinakitaan tayo ng bitaw ni Coach. Guys, wala naman akong bitaw. Tawag dito, ayun lang, tawag dito, ganun lang talaga. Kumbaga, tinuturoan tayo ng pitch calculator kung paano makipag-usap sa mga client. And ito yung reason kung ba't ang daming na-hire sa Reni AI. Kasi imagine, ito na yung pitch ninyo sa client. Kasi guys, kapag client interview, huwag kayong kakabahan na ikaw yung totorture ng client. Hindi ganun. Kasi pwede kayong mag-rapport sa client and ito yung mga magiging tanong nyo sa kanya. And ibabalik nyo lang ngayon sa kanya yung mga sinagot niyang numbers. Kasi hindi ka nang hula ng numbers, galing to sa bibig ng client mismo. Tama, mali. 'Di ba? Sa client to nang galing, kaya hindi ka nang hula ng mga sasabihin mo dito. Meron ka na ngayong script sa magiging pitch mo. Sabi ko sa kanya, I've just run the numbers on your business, specifically like what you have mentioned. Right now, you're publishing blah, blah, blah. Tapos, at 1,000, for example, ang rate mo sa kanya ay $1,200 per month. And 2x yung ROI, di ba? So, you're not just hiring a VA. So, technically, talagang ma-amaze yung client mo kasi alam mo, naiintindihan mo yung numbers dun sa business niya. Okay? Kapag interview po ba ng naka-client, open cam po ba? Yes po. Pero guys, kahit naman naka-open cam yan, kung ganun yung delivery mo, hindi niya iisipin na meron kang tinitignan or something. Basta wag ka lang naka-share screen. Okay? Kasi guys, ito ay magiging pattern nyo lang naman. Okay? Pattern nyo lang to. Okay? Pattern nyo lang siya and magiging guide ninyo. And most likely, so far, kapag ini-interview naman ako, nakabukas to. Okay, nakabukas to. Yung nakuha ko yung client ko kahapon ba yun or nung isang araw, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo sa email? Ito yung binuksan ko, bang, $2,000 per month. Nakuha ko yun. Yes, kaya masarap umaten, palaging maraming natututunan. Kaya nga, lagi kayong umaaten dito kasi ang dami ninyong ano natututunan 'di ba? So sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, si Reni AI ay hindi lang basta-basta platform na pababayaan na lang kayo. Okay, dito sa Reni AI, marami kayong ways para matutunan. So dito, may access na kayo doon. Halimbawa, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-convert. So yung Pro na sinasabi ko, kailangan ninyo mag-upgrade into Pro 499 yon. Tapos, ang malapit pa dyan, pag nag-upgrade kayo sa Pro or Premium, meron kayong access doon sa pitch calculator, yung ginamit nyo kanina. And then meron ding tinatawag na time zone master. Halimbawa, hindi kayo sanay mag-convert ng oras. Sabi ni client, let's talk later, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Nasa Los Angeles siya. So meaning to say, 2 a.m. yon sa Manila. So hindi ka na magko-convert sa ibang platform kasi nandito na lahat. Okay, time zone master, andito na. Pwede na kayo mag-convert ng mga oras. Ilalagay nyo lang yung mga time zone dito. Okay? And then, ang kagandahan dito sa loob ng Reni AI, kapag kayo po ay nag-upgrade into Pro, meron na kayong access sa recordings natin. Yung recordings natin is worth 30,000 pesos. Yan. Yan siya guys. Worth 30,000 pesos. Yes po, pwede po. Coach, paano po pag i-check ng potential client yung platform nung nakalagay sa testimonial ko para makita kung effective ako as SMM? Yes po, pwede niya pong i-check. Okay? Paano i-check yung platform? Hindi ko magets yung platform. Yung Rene AI? Hindi niya yun i-check. Walang ganun, guys. I'm telling you, wala pong ganun na nag-check. Okay? Kung sino ba nagbigay ng information, hindi. Kasi guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you spend time studying about dun sa niche mo, yun po yung mangyayari. Hindi na po yan i-check kasi base sa pagsasalita nyo, talagang maniniwala yung client na magaling ka. Okay? And yes po, ang worth, di ba, worth 30,000 pesos to. Kapag nag-upgrade ka ngayon sa Pro, mabubuksan mo lahat to. Pati yung tutorial ko ngayong araw, ay pati yung tawag dito, yung recordings nito, ilalagay ko rin dito. Ay actually nandito yun guys. Ito siya oh, yung ChatGPT plus Discovery Call Calculator. So yung ChatGPT, ipaprompt mo yung sasabihin mo para makapag-practice ka sa kanya ng interview gamit yung Discovery Call Calculator. Ito po yun. Nandito siya sa recordings. Mabubuksan mo rin yan kapag nag-upgrade ka into Pro.